Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Autosport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with a very nice 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium Convertible 5.0 liter Coyote V8 and 6-speed manual transmission. We're going to do a little walk around, go over the car. If you see anything, if I miss anything or see anything that you want to maybe see closer, feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to do an individual walk around with you, get you more pictures and any information that you'd like. So we always start in the front, work our way around. We'll go through the engine, interior, put the top down, show you everything. That way, whenever you get the car, it's everything that we present it to be, and you know what you're buying. So again, 2012 Mustang Premium, and very nice car overall. It's finished in performance white with the darker saddle, tan leather interior. Going across the front bumper and the hood, very, very clean. It's free of scrapes or dents or anything like that. A lot of these Mustangs do have a paint issue where the undersides of the hood start to peel. This one has been addressed, and it looked like they painted the front bumper into the hood and blended it in very nicely. There's no deviation in the color, and it's broken up really nice. As you can see, somebody put this nice hood stripe on, gives it a nice look, breaks up the white a little bit, matches with the grille. Does have the retro style fog lights in the grille. That's pretty much standard on the GTs. Going down the driver's side here, you see the 5.0 designation, premium. I think these are, let's see here, double check. 18-inch wheels, brand new tires. We just had these installed. Front wheel, very nice. There's just a very little bit of curb rash, nothing to get excited about. Calipers were painted red, gives it a nice muscle feel, matches with the badging on the side. Windshield just as clean. There's no big cracks or chips or anything like that. No windshield wiper marks. Going down the driver's side here, I don't see any dents on this side that are sticking out. Very little one here. You're not going to see it in the video, but it is there. Rear wheel, same thing, just as nice. These cars really sit nice and have an aggressive stance. Towards the end, I'll put the top down and show you that. This does look to be the original top. Overall, I'd say it's in great condition. A little bit of wear here and there, but you're going to have that on 2012. Rear window glass, it does have a rear defroster in it. Nice and tight around the edges, that's what you want to see. And it does function perfectly, no issues there. I'm going to grab the key real quick so I can show you. Actually, there's a button on these. Rear bumper, again, just as nice. There's no spider cracking or any signs of damage. It does have sequential taillights. That's standard in this generation. 2000, I think 10 and up, they started doing that factory. It used to have to be an aftermarket add-on. Trunk area, nice and clean. Let's see here. Does have the spare tire in there. That's in all good. Rear bumper plastics, nice and clean. I'm pretty sure it does have the factory exhaust on it. In fact, I don't think this car has any aftermarket items on it that I know of. Passenger side, let's see here. Don't see anything in the back here as far as scrapes or dents or anything. A little bit of wear on this wheel, nothing to get excited about. Again, a lot of the stuff you're not even going to see in the pictures. You probably won't even see it whenever you get here, but again, I'd like to point it out. I'm not saying every car is perfect. They try to present them as they are. That way you know what you're buying whenever you get them, because we ship a lot of cars out of state and out of the country even. Same thing, convertible top, about the same on this side. Pretty good overall condition. Passenger door, no dents or scrapes. Rocker panels nice and clean. There's a little dent here, actually two. I don't know what that's from, but again, that way you know it's there. Passenger front fender, don't see anything. Kevin can stand here. I'll put the top down. You can see the top function, and then we'll go over the interior as well. That way you can see it a little bit better. You're not going to be able to hear the engine run because I got the microphone on, but I will fire it up while I'm in here. That way you can get a feel for it. I do have 2 keys for this car. Tops are real easy. There's just 2 latches and then a button here in the middle. You just hold down, the windows will automatically go down with it. It's all power. Wait for this to finish its cycle. Not really any point in leaving it run because you're not going to be able to hear it anyways. But no kind of dash lights on, no TPMS slide or anything like that. It does have factory navigation, the shaker stereo system, heated seats, which is a nice option. I really don't know what this one doesn't have. 2012, pretty much navigation, heated seats were your options. Door panels on both sides of the car, nice and clean. A lot of times the glue can separate, and eventually, they could need redone, but at this point they're in excellent condition. Same with the seat bolsters. Very little bit of wear here, but again, nothing to get excited about on a 2012. Just a really nice, clean car overall. Love this color combination. I've only ever had one other one. Most of them always have black interiors, so if you're in the southern states where you can actually enjoy cars more than 2 to 3 months of the year, great to have a lighter color interior. Let's see here. 6-speed manual. It does have I believe it has the My Color where you can change the color of the dashes, dash lights, and steering wheel controls all function properly. I'm going to open up the hood here, show you that. And again, I'm sure I'm missing something, but you can always reach out to me. I'll be glad to go over it in depth with you. Okay, what I was talking about earlier was the underside of this hood. Very nice and clean. You'll see in the pictures, there's no kind of peeling. That's really common. Doesn't matter if they got 5 miles or 105,000 miles. They all seem to do it, but this one, not yet. Same with the bolts on top of the struts. All that's nice and clean. Engine dress-up kit has a nice cover over the engine. Again, pretty much a stock engine bay. These cars are easy to upgrade if you want to put cold air intake, exhaust, shift kit, put a tune on it, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of aftermarket stuff out here for these cars, which makes them nice. I actually have 2 of these cars myself, and always like them because they're just fun cars to drive, take out, and you can do so much to make these cars your own that don't cost a lot of money. There's a lot of nice websites out there, and this car in a convertible GT Premium 6-speed 5.0. These cars are getting harder and harder to come by with only 48, maybe 49,000 miles. I think this would be a great candidate for you. So again, we do a lot of Mustangs, Corvettes, Mustangs, Miatas, convertibles, everyday cars. We have another store that specializes in classics as well, about an hour from here. So be sure to check us out. And again, if I missed anything, definitely reach out. Phone number 724-388-4930. I appreciate your time, and hopefully we can make something happen on this. Have a good day.